This is how our pricing works in our credit repair pay-per-delete program. So here at JMS Consulting Firm, not only do we help business owners obtain business credit and funding to help them scale their business by utilizing and mastering credit, if their credit isn't where it needs to be, we will enroll you into our pay-per-delete credit repair program to help get your credit profile back to the proper standings. So we don't charge per month, we only charge per deletion after you pay for our enrollment fee. You enroll in the credit repair program after you speak with one of our representatives and we give you our initial consultation. On that consultation call, we'll go ahead and we'll give you a quote to how the program works if you were to sign up through that process. And we only charge you once items gets deleted from your credit report, once again, okay? So you have to sign up for credit monitoring. Credit monitoring will cost you $29.99 per month. You have to stay enrolled through that throughout the entire duration of the program. Once you cancel credit monitoring, you will be canceled from the credit repair program because we cannot process disputes without having an active credit monitoring subscription that is automatically drafted out of your bank accounts per month, okay? The deletion process is on our website at www.jmsconsultingfirm.com/credit repair and under the pay per delete section. We charge per deletion, which is per item per reporting agency. There's not a bureau. Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion is not a bureau. There's only one bureau, and that's the CFPB. So in our company, whenever you hear the word bureau, we're talking about the CFPB. But we charge per deletion, per item, per reporting agency. So let's just say that you have a collection on your credit reports. The collection will be charged by this way. If one collection were to get deleted from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, that total cost will be $150. That is because collections and charge-offs is $50 per item per deleted. Okay, so if all three items were to get deleted from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, that cost will be $150. If you only were to get deleted from one reporting agency, just be $50 and so forth. Late payments is $10. Collections and charge-offs, repossessions is $50. Short sales, foreclosures, tax liens is $150, and bankruptcies is $250 per item, per deletion, per reporting agency, okay? Now, let's just say that you get an invoice 1 month that's like $500, and you can't pay it in full. That's good for you because we don't collect the complete invoice amount in a month anyways, unless you want us to. We make it very, very affordable for you. So if you get an invoice of $500 that's for 1 month, what we do is we charge you $75 per month until that particular invoice is paid off in full. Now let's just say, for example, you get multiple invoices throughout the duration of the program. Normally you get an invoice once per month because that's whenever we send out what's called our rounds or our client update emails. You get notified once per month with the update with where we at in the credit repair progress and what you need to do with your credit reports, okay? So if you got multiple invoices throughout the duration of the program, let's just say, for example, that you get charged an extra $200 invoice, you already got a $500 invoice, it don't matter because we only charge you at most $75 per month, okay? So it's $75 plus the credit monitoring, which comes out to be about $103. I'm just estimating and not doing direct math right now. So it's just an estimated cost of $103, okay? That's how much you'd be expect to be out of pocket working with us throughout the duration of the program per month, okay? Now, money back guarantees. If nothing were to get deleted within 6 months, you're entitled to get your money back in full if you follow the instructions throughout our program. You haven't worked with anybody else before working with us. You haven't tried to fix your own credit yourself throughout the duration of the program while you're enrolled with us, and you're in active communication with us. There's terms and conditions in the frequently asked questions section on our website. It goes over that in detail as well. Now that is how our pricing works in our pay per delete program for our credit repair process here at JMS Consulting Firm.